Dragon Boat Festival. The Dragon Boat Festival is a traditional Chinese festival. It falls on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. On Dragon Boat Festival, we eat zongzi. Zongzi come in many different flavors. I like eating salted egg and pork zongzi. What flavor do you like? We hang mugwort. It keeps away bad luck. We wear sachets on Dragon Boat Festival. It smells fresh and herbal. We drink Realgar wine to keep away mosquitoes and stay healthy. We watch dragon boat races. The boats are long and colorful. We remember Qu Yuan on Dragon Boat Festival. He was a great poet who loved his country. Wishing everyone a happy Dragon Boat Festival and good health. See you!